Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Welcome to No Bullshit channel. One second. Oh, I like this button. Welcome to Welcome to No Bullshit channel. Real stuff, tangible. Real stuff only, guys. Real stuff. No garbage. Stocks, yields, markets, you know where to invest, right? That's why you on this channel. Okay, be with me. We are going to unbox today Netherlands 10 guilders, Dutch gold coins, Dutch. Have you ever been in Dutch? That very nice place, Europe. People are drinking beer, go out. Old architecture, so nice. Small cities, beautiful. This is a time. This was a perfect time. No mask, no bullshit. Yeah. So look into history. Netherlands 10 guilders. And on the next day, when I bought one guilder, on the next day I see one left, so I bought another one. Okay, it's no brain, guys. $360 for 0.2 ounce of gold. No brain. I bought another one. They're rare, guys. They're rare pieces. And I bought my first Great Britain sovereign. Okay, gold coin. Very odd condition, they say. Okay, but let's see. I never own any sovereign. Okay, this will be the first one. Okay, so keep tuned. Going to unbox it. You know, right? This is a more excited time, when it is here and you almost got it, right? You almost got it, but it's still packaged. You still don't know what is inside. This is the best time, The most enjoyment is not when you already have it. The most enjoyment where you are waiting to get it, guys. I don't need to educate you. This is the most enjoyment time when you order something and you are waiting, when you are watching, when it will arrive. Especially now, this time, when it is so slow, when you need to wait 2-3 weeks. Basically, when I ordered it says 26, right? No, sorry, I ordered it March 22, and I already got it. I today, so... Oh, 20... No, I ordered it like in the middle of this month. Right, because I'm doing ETH usually. ETH, which... direct debit, right? So the first one, here we have 10 guilders, gold coin, circulated. And we have Great Britain gold sovereign coin. Okay. I'm excited to see. And then we have another Netherlands 10 guilder. I don't know if you like guilder or not. So we have two packages, 10 guilder circulated. Yeah. So it was 3 left. I always telling you guys what I'm buying, right? It's like smart people, you can watch. It's only 3 left, and then I bought one, and next day it was like 1 left, and I bought it. Okay, it's gone. Okay, what you see here on my channel is mostly gone, guys. Okay, I'm telling you, it's mostly gone. Okay, so let's see it close. Yeah, the most excitement time when you open your package and you don't have it yet, but it's getting close. Right? It's getting close and more close. It's all in real time, guys. It's all in real time. Guilders and sovereigns. I never opened any of these guilders, by the way. This is my first one. Okay. Baby gold. Someone, I don't know, it's all good. I think someone said baby gold, and I just copied. When something smart and something good is near you, I like to copy. It's a nice lady, guys. What you say? It's a very nice lady. And here my first sovereign. My first gold sovereign. Let's put them like this. Okay. Let's put these brothers here. Very nice. Very nice. So this Netherlands, how much gold it is? 0.195, almost 0.2, randomized between 1875 and 1893. My is 1926, one, and this is also, oh, it's 1912. Wow, interesting. Wow, but condition is excellent, guys. I'm telling you, the condition is very, very good condition, outstanding condition. Yes, there's two guilders. They are 0.9 fine gold, 10 guilders. Yeah, this is how they look like. Yeah, the lady, it looked like a new lady. Very good polished lady. Nice. And this guy, sovereign 1910, 19110. Yeah. So how much gold is sovereign? Oh, they still have it for sale. $434 and 0.235, almost quarter ounce of gold. Okay, so this is almost quarter ounce of gold, and this is 0.2 ounce of gold. So together it will be almost 1 ounce of gold, 0.9. All right, two, it's 4, and quarter. Oh, quarter it will be 0.65. 0.65 ounce of gold. Yeah, this is a definitely circulated guy. 1910. Yeah, I'm not fan of them, sovereign, but I was thinking, okay, let's get one of them. I'm not fan, really. It's so simple design. Very simple design. Okay, this lady look like much better. This look like a BU, guys, to me. The luster is excellent luster. Yeah, this is very nice. This is my first guilder coin from Netherlands, 1926, 100 almost years old. Yeah, I like this corona, right? All these coronas, yeah, like, but you cannot compare with Russian ruble. Russian ruble is the best looking gold coin I ever owned. Yeah, it's the best. Russian Empire was most beautiful one. Yeah, what they say, Wilhelmina gold. Okay, so let me check it. Let me put it in capsule, and we'll go through this with you to enjoy. So I'm checking this old European golds, and very interesting. So if you see, they all 20 karat, 0.95 gold. So if I check on 20 karat, okay, if I check the sovereign, it's kind of show me more gold. Very strange. Yeah, this is 90% gold. You see? Yeah. But sovereign, it's kind of, you see, it go above. So it show like a 22 karat gold. You see, 22 karat gold. Very interesting. Saint Sovereign. I'm not sure. I need to find out. Look like Sovereign has more gold, guys. 22 karat gold. But it doesn't matter. In the end of the line, yeah, it's 22 karat gold. Yep. More pure gold in Sovereign. In the end of the day, it is 0.234, ounces of 0.915 gold. Yeah, so yeah, it's 0.23 troy ounces. Okay, so it is 22 karat because I said 0.915 gold. Yes. Okay, so it has more gold. This guy has more gold. You know, if I look here, you see it at the lowest level. Okay, so it definitely I need to move to 90%. Okay, for Gilder. Okay, Gilders are 90%, but it's fine. Yeah, but they're in immaculate condition, guys. They are. The condition of these Gilders are so beautiful, I'm telling you, just outstanding condition. It's very, very, very good condition. This one, I think it even BU, from what I can see. It is the same lady, right? Yeah, look like same lady, but this lady, the head look like bigger, right? I'm not sure. Yeah, what was changes? If someone knows, let me know, because this is 1912 and this is 1926. Okay, so it's a different year of this Gilder. But if I look here, yeah, I think it's a different portrait. Yeah, it's definitely not the same lady. Yeah. So, added 0.65 ounce of gold into my stack. These coins are 22.5 millimeter. Okay, so I'm used 22 capsule, and this 22 millimeter almost 22.05. So I use 21 millimeter capsules for Sovereign. Yep. Now that I like the Sovereign, and I see they are for sale everywhere. I think there are two abbreviations here. South Africa, probably Aloha State. So I'll see. And one is enough. These are much more nicer. The Gilders from Netherlands. These are much more nicer coins, and condition also better, you know. But anyway, you know, I got what I wanted, and yeah, I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like it, please give me a hands up, like, subscribe, and put your comments. Are you guys buying this European gold? I mostly buy European gold. This is the most beautiful and the cheapest one, okay? Why I need to overpay to buy American gold eagle if I can buy such beauty? It's much cheaper, and it will have, let's say, it's the same gold or more, and it will be better price. Okay, so like, subscribe, and hit notifications. All the best. Happy weekend, guys. Bye bye.